Ladies and gentlemen, 16th Sailor Today Seashore Awards 2017 Ship Manager of the Year Award goes to MSC Shipmanagement. May we have a huge round of applause for this highly enthusiastic team of professionals. Requesting Mr. Prabhat Jha and Captain MP Bhasin to please join us on stage to accept this most coveted award. Let's hear it for them, ladies and gentlemen.
Hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again on stage, sir. Welcome, ma'am, captain. Please, everybody join in. Join in presenting the award, please.
For a
If you could
picture.
come closer. Yes. Ms. Marianne, please, if you could. Yes, yes. Congratulations, sir, and we'd love to hear a few words from you. Maybe have the mic, please. Thank you so much. Ravi.
Thank you. Good evening to you all. Thank you, Sailor Today. Thank you, Captain Nangia. Thank you, Madam Nangia, once again for this wonderful evening. And we are extremely proud to receive this 5th year in a row. Thank you. We dedicate this award to all our seafarers on board and leave, and to the great team that we have in Cyprus, India, and Ukraine. Thank you to all of you for the great work that you're doing. And of course, many thanks to our founder of MSC and Captain Ponte and his family, who continue to believe in India. And that is why the Indian team is growing day by day. And also for the constant support of our head of ship management control, Mr. Petrianis, who consider India as its second home. Thank you all. And thank you to Captain Bhasin and his team in India, whom I like to invite on board, and I have also some colleagues from Cyprus. Can you please come on the stage to join us in this moment? Please, everyone.
All the staff of MSC is in the audience, please come. I can still see lots of people sitting. Please come.
How are you, sir?
Murugesan,
Pleasure
please
to see you
propel the
again.
people to come forward.
Pleasure to see you.
It's your win with the MSC staff. Leandra, where are you? Please come. All of the girls. You know, just to add up, each time you get an award, it not only gives you gratifying and proud feeling, but in shipping language, it actually propels you, pushes you to achieve much more gratifying and greater heights. Ladies and gentlemen, that's what we do in MSC. Every time we win an award, it propels us more and more and motivates us more and more. I really thank all our staff here, everyone at sea, at shore. Lots of us are sitting here, lots of us of them are on the stage. And I would like to thank Prabhat, Nita, Mr. Petiones, our all staff in Geneva, Cyprus, Ukraine, and of course, a big team in India. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.